Hello everyone and welcome back to Infinite Languages. We already have studied personal pronouns in nominative case. Today we are going one step further to learn how these pronouns change in the accusative case. Let's begin. Before learning pronouns, let's quickly understand the accusative case. The accusative tells us when or was, meaning who or what respectively receives the action. It shows the direct object of the sentence. For instance, ich sehe den Hund. The dog is being seen, so it is the direct object. And in the sentences, kauft einen Ball and sie liest das Buch, einen Ball and das Buch are the direct objects. Instead of repeating them again and again, German uses a pronoun. That's exactly what we will learn today. Here is the complete chart. Some pronouns change completely. For example, ich becomes mich, du becomes dich, becomes in, wir becomes uns, and ihr becomes euch. While some pronouns remain the same, like sie, es, and the formal sie. This table is very important for your A1 exam, so try to memorize it. Instead of repeating the direct object again and again, German replaces it with the accusative pronoun. Just like in English, we say, I know Maria, I know her. German does exactly the same. Observe these examples. Ich sehe den Mann. I see the man. Ich sehe ihn. I see him. Ich kenne Maria. I know Maria. Ich kenne sie. I know her. Ich kaufe das Auto. I buy the car. Ich kaufe es. I buy it. Here are some more examples for the better understanding. Kannst du mich hören? Can you hear me? Ich liebe dich. I love you. Wir besuchen ihn. We are visiting him. Ich sehe sie. I see her. Kauft es. He buys it. Sie ruft uns an. She is calling us. Ich sehe euch morgen. I'll see you all tomorrow. Wir kennen sie. We know them. Ich sehe sie. I see you. Remember that the formal sie always start with a capital S. Although klein sie and gross sie look similar, their meanings are completely different. And now it's a practice time. Replace these nouns with the pronouns. Pause the video and try answering this yourself. Learning grammar becomes much easier when you practice regularly. Here is a small homework for you. Translate these sentences into German and write your answers in the comment section below or the email ID mentioned in the description box. Keep practicing because you will use these pronouns in almost every German conversation. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. To remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to Infinite Languages. And I'll see you in the next video. Tschüss!